Hey, my dear dudes, what's going on? Codito is back. And today, guys, we are gonna create this website. Okay, website. It's a simple shopping cart. This time I used Redux. We have many functionalities here. So Redux, in order to create this shopping cart. Okay. As I told you, I'm gonna create projects that will be on Udemy. I'm also gonna create projects that will be here for all of you for free. Okay. But as you understand, guys, sometimes I have to create some projects that will help me get paid. Okay, everything on YouTube, everything on the world is about getting paid. Right. So let's make an introduction about this project. So as we can see, we have here a background, a simple background. We create some transitions here with animation. Welcome to our store. Right here we have some products. Okay, if I push here, look, I'm going to see the detail of product, and then which is here a t-shirt, then some text, also the price, and I have two more options. The first one is of going back to the previous page, and the second one is adding a card. Okay, let's go back. Right, let's go again the same page. Cool. If I go now, if I want, I can add product here. If I add product, I'm gonna see here one, for example. Let's see, card. Okay, card. Okay, I can add another project. You see here, right? Let's go back now. Look here what happened. Already in card, right? If I try to add it, nothing happens. Look, already in card. Already in card. So I have to go, let's go to the cart, and we can see this product. Okay, we have shipping, an option of shipping with is gonna put a specific price or a free price. If for example, if the amount is less than 90, I think, don't remember, then we are going to see here a plus 10. Now it's bigger than 90, so we can see free. Of course, I can increase. Look here, the price. I can delete. Boom, deleted, empty. I can go to home again. If I okay, I can add here again, add here again. Okay, if I try somewhere, let's say here, add to cart, already in cart, nothing happens. Let's try here, already in cart. Okay, and here, already in cart. Cool. Let's go in cart now. Okay, increase. Here we have 5. Let's see, here we have this amount. Cool. If I want, delete all. Gain to home. Right, here I didn't put something, I just let it empty. Also, I didn't want to let here the nav links empty. I think I left only this. Okay, here in about I put something, for example, a couple of things, let's say about clothes, blah 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 blah. Here are all the products, right? The same functionality as here. Cool. Here contacts, errors, so I didn't want to put something here, guys, it's not the purpose. And of course the cart. Of course all the site is responsive. Look here, right? I can close it. here, I forgot to put here a functionality, so we are gonna implement it together, don't worry. Cool. Let's see here, we got the products. Okay, if I go here the products, can add, boom, one. Okay, let's try and add again. Already in cart. Okay, now, okay, this here. Oh yeah, this is, look, one, boom. Let's go to home. Let's go to about. Yeah, okay, you see the about. So guys, this is what we are gonna create. Also, we are gonna fix a couple of things here. Something that I forgot. Here is the functionality of the card to show the card in the responsive mode, and of course functionality to close this. Okay, very simple. We are gonna implement it together. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna close the default. I don't want. Let's go. No. Let's go and create a folder in our desktop, guys, in order not to get confused. Create a folder and name it Redux store. Okay? Redux. Or you can just write Redux show. Let's write shopping cart. Okay, not bad. Drag and drop it in your VS Code, the folder. Also, you could create a folder here. Okay. Now, we are in our folder. What we have to do? Or you know, maybe it was better. You know, guys, no, don't need this. Go to VS Code, okay? Don't do anything, guys. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Where is the shopping cart? Deleted it? Yeah. Let's not follow this way. I'm gonna follow the classic way. So CMD, we could do it in a VS Code. Let's write npx create React app Redux. Before doing it, we have to cd desktop. Cool. npx create React. What are you doing, dude? Create React app. Come on now. I don't believe it. React app. Let's call it Redux shopping cart. Cool. And now we just wait for a complete of installation. Okay guys, after this tutorial I'm thinking of cutting this project in some tutorials. I don't think some parts. After this tutorial I think that it's a good idea to make a main project. We are gonna start from a very simple project, which is a basic project, I believe. React to do main. Before main, I believe it's a good idea showing you how to create a RESTful API, because everything in main is about a RESTful API. We go and take this RESTful API and show the data. We will see. And I already working in an amazing, extremely amazing, I believe it will be the best portfolio on YouTube. It's gonna be like an application without going to your file, including importing images from there, or just importing things from there statically. Everything will be dynamically from main. We are going to use main from this thing. So, for example, you have a portfolio, you have your projects, let's say an image, and a couple of words, description. So we will send, for example, you will have an option, something like to do, guys. So you create your description with your image, and then push the button, everything goes dynamically to MongoDB, and then you take all this information and you see in your website your portfolio, your image, your things, you know. And of course we are gonna I'm thinking of making something like an admin, in order only you have these options to go and edit or delete or put projects. It will be an amazing project. Come on, so late. It's a good idea to stop until the finishing. Alright guys, our installation has been completed. So I'm gonna close the terminal. We don't need it anymore as a command prompt. So where is Redux shopping cart? Is here. Find the folder. Let's go here. Cool. And here we are. Cool. So if you don't see this Git, don't get confused, guys. I did a couple of things in order to show this Git here. Your Git are hidden because it's not necessary. Don't get confused with this. You already have it, but it is hidden. I did it because in my previous project I wanted to save some main projects on GitHub, and I wanted to see the Git. So don't get confused if you don't see this. You already have it, but it is hidden. Maybe in the future I'm gonna show you a couple of things about this. It's not the time or our purpose. So let's get started. App.js. View. Before going here, let's install a couple of important things. View terminal. We want, of course, React router DOM, which is important in order to route from an element from a link to another link. So npm install react router DOM, and of course we need React-redux, and Redux. React-redux help us connect the Redux with React, and the Redux is the store, the framework which shall help us for state management. So press enter, and now in our package JSON here we are going to see these dependencies. Okay, Redux here, React Redux and React Routed DOM. Cool. After this shopping cart, just write npm start, and our initial server project is gonna start. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna make a couple of things, do the same. Let's delete all the header, we don't need it. Also we don't need the logo. Let's go delete the logo. Bye bye logo. Cool. Then let's import now the images, which are very important. I will go to, where is the initial project? It's here. Okay, you don't need to do this if you want. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now is just take the image from the project and put it in our, or if you want you can do the same procedure. So you are going to download it from GitHub, so you will follow, you don't need to follow this because your file will be, but if you want you can do the same. Let me see, in public I have images. Let's open the, this is command with this mouse that I have. So this is the project that I already created with you. So let's go to public. I'm gonna copy, right, paste. Cool. Now in source, where is source? Source. Okay, copy, boom, finish. I don't need this right now. Cool. Nothing else. Go here, here, and let's start. We are going to start with the creation of all components. Right. A little bit confused with language, guys, with English, because I don't speak in a daily basis, but but you can improve the language if you speak often. So let's go and create a folder and name it components. Cool. Now we need to put here, let me see, what did I do? We need a home.js. Cool. Create this. Hello from home. Copy. Control copy this. Cool. What else? Let's create an about.js. Okay. About. Cool. What else we need, guys? We need, of course, navbar.js. Cool. What else? So guys, what else? Let's go and create card.js. What another thing? We need a fly is here. I don't believe. Fuck off. It escaped. It gets on my nerve now, guys. So, we were navbar, so let's create another component and name it products.js. Also we need a product.js. What the fuck with this fucking flag? Okay, from product cool. Let's create also a data.js. At the moment, nothing. Let's not create nothing. Let's create also, I believe, the final component. It's okay. Details.js. Cool. Hello from details. Cool. We are going at home right now. Where is the home? Now at home at app.js. Cool. Let's see. So we are here 25 minutes, I don't believe. Maybe it's a good idea to stop right now here. Or let's import first of all the components. Cool. Here we need to put we need import navbar from components, and of course we need to put navbar. Cool. Let's put here the navbar. Beautiful. Okay, and hello from navbar. Of course, let's disable all this. I'm gonna disable. Let's see what it has. Media app. Okay, don't need. Control A and boom, everything deleted. So I'm gonna put I am here. So just delete all the default, prevent all the default. Let's put margin 0 auto, padding 0 auto. Cool. And box sizing which has to do with the padding. We don't want to grow from out, so box sizing border box. Cool. Close it right now, we don't need, right? I believe it's good idea stopping here and continuing then.